In a shocking turn of events, 1000 LB Sisters star Amy Slayton is now at the center of a storm that fans never saw coming. While Amy has long portrayed herself as a devoted mother and a recovering reality star trying to reclaim her life after a painful split, new reports suggest a much darker narrative. Way beneath the surface, public records, insider leaks, and cryptic posts have surfaced that seem to expose a troubling web of deceit involving alleged substance abuse and child endangerment, charges that could shake the very foundation of her fanbase's trust. Amy Slayton has always been an emotional figure on TLC's hit series. From her massive weight loss journey to her motherhood transformation, she won the sympathy and hearts of millions. However, recent developments suggest she may have been hiding parts of her life that fans were never meant to see. At the center of this controversy is a startling legal leak that allegedly connects Amy to a string of incidents involving prescription abuse, erratic behavior, and neglectful parenting, all while cameras kept rolling and fans stayed unaware. The first whispers began with an anonymous tip to a celebrity gossip blog known for unveiling hidden truths. The post hinted at a popular weight loss show star being under investigation for dangerous substance use in a household with minors. Though names were not disclosed, the clues pointed strongly in Amy Slayton's direction, especially when the timeline matched her recent custody struggles and social media meltdowns. Screenshots of now-deleted posts began circulating in fan forums, with some claiming Amy appeared disoriented or acting out of character in recent TikTok live streams. It wasn't long before local sources from Kentucky unearthed records that intensified the suspicion. A police welfare check from late 2024, filed after a neighbor's report of children crying and suspicious activity, turned out to be associated with Amy's residential address. Though no immediate arrest was made, law enforcement confirmed that social services were contacted and an official investigation was opened. The incident was quietly swept under the rug, but the internet never forgets. Adding to the mystery, a newly resurfaced report indicates Amy may have been prescribed powerful anxiety medications, including benzodiazepines, after her separation from her ex, Michael Halterman. While there's nothing illegal about using such prescriptions under medical supervision, a Reddit user, claiming to be a friend of a former Slayton crew member, alleged that Amy was frequently using these medications, off-label, mixing them with alcohol, and exhibiting concerning behavior around her two young sons. She was spiraling, the post read. Everyone saw it, but no one could say anything because TLC kept everything under tight control. That's where the allegations of child endangerment grow even more concerning. One source close to the Slayton family revealed that Amy's sister, Tammy Slayton, who's had her own controversial struggles, had grown increasingly worried about the children's safety and had even considered stepping in legally. Tammy may have her demons, the source said, but she loves those boys, and she didn't like what she was seeing. Meanwhile, eagle-eyed fans pointed out a sudden shift in Amy's online behavior over the past 6 months. Once known for constant video updates and silly TikTok dances with her kids, her account took a darker turn, featuring erratic rants, confused statements, and abrupt deletions of content. In one now viral video, Amy can be seen yelling in the background while her child appears distressed. The video was removed within hours, but fans had already downloaded and shared it, calling it evidence of emotional instability. Legal experts weighing in on the allegations suggest that if Amy is formally charged with child endangerment or drug misuse, TLC may be forced to cut ties with her or alter her role on the show significantly. Networks are very sensitive to public backlash, said celebrity crisis manager Laura Howell. While Amy is not yet convicted of anything, the optics are very damaging, especially when children are involved. TLC has not released an official statement, but fans noticed Amy's reduced screen time in the most recent season, fueling speculation that the network may be quietly distancing itself from her. As for Amy, she has remained silent about the allegations, choosing instead to share cryptic messages about betrayal, healing, and starting over. In a rare Instagram story, she posted a black screen with the words, "People only love you when you're broken." It was quickly taken down, but not before followers screenshotted it. Some believe this was her way of hinting at internal family conflict and feeling abandoned by those closest to her. Amy's longtime fans remain divided. While many are rushing to defend her, suggesting that she is simply overwhelmed and deserves compassion. Others feel betrayed. "We supported her through everything," one Twitter user wrote. "If she's really putting those boys in danger, then she doesn't deserve our sympathy anymore." Others pointed fingers at TLC, blaming the network for enabling her behavior by continuing to film while obvious signs of trouble were evident. The situation has also reignited public debate about reality TV's ethics, especially when children are involved. Critics argue that networks like TLC prioritize drama over well-being, pointing out how similar controversies have occurred with other reality families. "This isn't the first time kids have been caught in the crossfire of a reality TV empire," said media analyst Greg Matheson. "The question is how many more families have to implode before something changes." Quote, "Back in Kentucky, neighbors remain tight-lipped, but several have confirmed seeing increased police presence at Amy's house earlier this year. One anonymous resident stated, 'We just pray for those kids. They didn't ask for this kind of spotlight or attention.' In the absence of clear answers, rumors continue to swirl, each new revelation casting a deeper shadow over Amy's once inspiring transformation story. Supporters of Amy argue that she is being unfairly scrutinized, pointing out that she has faced years of emotional abuse, health struggles, and public humiliation. "She's not perfect," one fan wrote on a Reddit thread. "But neither are any of us. Maybe she's crying out for help in the only way she knows how." Mental health advocates are also weighing in, urging people not to rush to judgment and instead advocate for rehabilitation, not cancellation. Still, the undeniable facts remain troubling. An open child welfare case, strange social media posts, cryptic hints from family members, and insider claims about substance misuse all create an image of a woman on the edge. Whether Amy will address the controversy publicly, or whether TLC will continue airing her scenes unedited, remains to be seen. What is clear is that the once beloved star of 1000 LB Sisters is now surrounded by doubt, fear, and unanswered questions. As fans await the next season and possible revelations in upcoming court records or media statements, one thing is certain: the image of Amy Slayton as a struggling but loving mother has now been replaced with a cloud of suspicion that may take a long time to clear. Whether this ends in redemption or collapse is up to Amy, and the people she surrounds herself with, to decide. At the time of writing, neither Amy Slayton, TLC representatives, nor local authorities have responded to requests for comment. Meanwhile, fans continue refreshing their feeds, searching for updates, hoping for clarity, and maybe even a comeback. But until then, the haunting allegations of drugs and child endangerment linger in the air, casting a heavy shadow over once celebrated reality star's future. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.